Air compressors are incredibly versatile tools that can make a wide range of tasks easier, saving you both time and money. Choosing the right air compressor for your home garage is essential to ensure your tools work efficiently and that your DIY projects are a breeze. However, before you decide on a brand, it's important to consider a few key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Maximum pressure. 2. Capacity. 3. Motor rating. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 air compressors currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Craftsman Air Compressor. This unit is both sturdy and portable, featuring a 6-gallon tank that's easy to move and store. One of its key advantages is the oil-free pump, which means you won't need to worry about maintenance, making it a hassle-free option. With a maximum of 150 psi, it's capable of handling a variety of tasks like drilling, nailing, spraying, and airbrushing. One of the standout features is its quick recovery time, delivering 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi. This ensures consistent airflow, which is crucial for projects requiring sustained pressure. While it's excellent for medium-duty tasks, it may struggle with more intense, continuous use. However, for a wide range of applications within its capacity, it performs admirably. On the downside, the noise level of 78.5 decibels might be disruptive in quieter environments. There have also been some reports of reliability issues, with a few units failing to start after minimal use, though these cases are rare. Overall, the Craftsman Air Compressor is a solid choice for those looking for affordability and maintenance-free operation. Let's look best features of this product. 1. It offers 150 psi maximum air pressure. 2. It has a 6-gallon tank. 3. Operates on 120 volts. 4. Noise level, 78.5 decibels. Now look pros of this product. 1. The oil-free pump requires no maintenance. 2. Quick recovery time. 3. High maximum PSI. At number 2, Makita Mac 2400 Air Compressor. The Makita Mac 2400 is one of the most portable domestic air compressors, measuring about 20 by 18 by 18.75 inches. It is possible since Makita has opted for a 4.2 gallons tank capacity on this unit where other options feature 6 gallons capacity, if not higher. But apart from that, there are no compromises made on this machine whether it is the specifications or power output. The Mac 2400 is powered by a 4-pole 2.5 horsepower motor, offering a maximum air pressure of about 90 psi even with such a compact design. Also, the airflow rating of the Makita Mac 2400 is 4.2 CFM at 90 psi air pressure, which is nearly twice of other standard choices. The pump used in this compressor is oil lubricated in order to operate at a cooler temperature level and reduce internal wear and tear. Let's look best features of this product. 1. It offers 90 psi maximum air pressure. 2. It has a 4.2 gallons tank. 3. Operates on 115 volts. 4. Powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor. Now look pros of this product. 1. The pump is oil lubricated for cooler running temperatures. 2. Durable cast iron cylinder. 3. Offers a high airflow rating. At number 3, Vevor Air Compressor. The Vevor Air Compressor combines strong performance with quiet operation. It features a 6.3 gallon capacity and a 1450 watts oil-free motor, reaching a speed of 3,500 R per minute. It delivers 3.35 CFM at 90 psi, making it efficient for tasks like tire inflation, auto repair, and spray painting. Its support of various pneumatic and air tools is impressive. The compressor is quiet at 70 decibels, it has double-layer silencers and quality mufflers. This makes it ideal for residential areas or indoor workshops. Its robust build includes a 3-layer construction with a rust and wear-resistant layer, ensuring durability. However, it has limitations with heavier applications. Some users have reported reliability issues over time, particularly with fuses popping. Despite these concerns, the Vevor Air Compressor is a top choice for its quiet operation, efficiency, and safety features, which are suitable for hobbyists and professionals. Let's look best features of this product. 1. It offers 145 psi maximum air pressure. 2. It has a 6.3 gallon tank. 3. Operates on 120 volts. 4. Oil-free motor, ultra-quiet operation. Now look pros of this product. 1. Durable construction with a 3-layer protective build. 2. Capable of supporting various pneumatic tools for diverse tasks. 3. Overheating protection and automatic shutoff. Now number 4, Campbell Hausfeld Air Compressor. The Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor is yet another premium choice for a quiet and portable air compressor. Compared to other options, you will find this unit offering pretty similar specifications such as 125 psi maximum air pressure level and 8 gallons tank capacity to store the pressurized air. It also requires a 120 volts input to operate, so make sure that you can provide that before you buy the compressor. Coming to the benefits of the Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor, you will be able to work in a quiet environment since this unit has a 68 decibels noise rating, which is comparatively lower than many other options. Also, it has an oil-free pump that offers great performance without needing any maintenance whatsoever. You will also find various gauges and a regulator on the Campbell Hausfeld Portable Air Compressor that lets you monitor the tank pressure with ease. Let's look best features of this product. 1. It offers 125 psi maximum air pressure. 2. It has a 8 gallons tank. 3. Operates on 120 volts. 4. Noise rating 68 decibels. Now look pros of this product. 1. Powerful motor. 2. Powered by an oil-free pump. 3. No maintenance is required. Now our last product is Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. If you frequently find yourself turning the compressor again and again throughout the day, you need to replace your compressor with this option from Stealth. It offers a great capacity along with air pressure. The Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor is probably the best option for those who continuously need compressed air to power a wide range of pneumatic tools and accessories on a daily basis. It is backed by an innovative system that manages to make its performance ultimately quiet, making it nearly 80% quieter than other compressors. It is also rated for almost 3 times the lifespan compared to other options. The Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor features a 20 gallons tank capacity, which is higher than almost all other options on this list. Also, the maximum air pressure manageable by the Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor is about 150 psi, which is good enough for both domestic as well as professional applications. It runs on an induction motor with 1.8 horsepower power rating that manages to fill up the tank within just 70 seconds. Stealth has rated the Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor for a nearly 1,000 hours long life cycle that ensures its reliability for professional applications. Let's look best features of this product. 1. It offers 150 psi maximum air pressure. 2. It has a 20 gallons tank. 3. Operates on 120 volts. 4. Offers 6 CFM airflow at 40 psi. Now look pros of this product. 1. The tank fills up within 70 seconds. 2. Lifetime warranty. 3. Tank capacity is very high. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.